A daytime flight from the United States means a late arrival at Heathrow and a nearly empty Terminal 5, a really rare sight to see. Although Hotel Sofitel is in Terminal 5, it's still a pretty substantial walk from the check-in desks. I hope you don't mind if we speed it up a little bit. We've now arrived at the Hotel Sofitel's lobby and check-in desk. Sofitel is a high-end Accor brand, and the rates reflected that. This room cost a little under $200 for one night, really only about 9 hours of time in the room. The hotel was quite nice, although seemingly rather empty. At that price point, I'm not sure I'd stay here again. There are many hotels near Heathrow, including some in other terminals with a pretty quick connection that might make a better option. Overall, the room was very nice, and once I figured out where to put my room key to get the power to turn on, you can get a good view of how the room was appointed. This is definitely a business hotel, and it charges a premium for that. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and please consider a like and subscribe to support the channel.